Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the class and objects in Java. Uh, so basically, what is the question is what is an object in Java? An entity object is an entity has a state and behavior is known as an object. For example, chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. This is the real life examples of the objects. It can be physical or logical. That means tangible and intangible. The example of an intangible object is the banking system. Then an object has a three characteristics. Then first one is the state. The state represents the data, that means the value of an object. Then the behavior represents behavior, the functionality of an object such as deposit and withdraw, etc. Then identity. An object identity is typically implemented a unique ID. The value of the ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is used to internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. Then characteristics of object in Java. For example, pen is an object. Its name is Reynolds. Then color is white, known as its states. It is used to write. So writing is its behavior. Then an object is an instance of a class. A class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So an object is the instance. That means the result of a class. Then the definitions, we will discuss about the definitions of the object. Basically, an object is the real world entity. It means we can say that the object is the physical entity. Then an object is a runtime entity. Then we can say that the object is an entity which has states and behavior. Then the object is an the instance of a class. This all are the we can say that the definitions of the objects in Java. Then now we will discuss about the class. Basically, the class is a logical entity in Java program. We can say that the class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which objects are created. Basically, it is a logical entity. It can't be physical. Then a class is a blueprint for the object. Before we create an object, we first need to define the class. Then we can think of the class as a sketch. It means the prototype of a house. Then it contains all the details about the floors, doors, windows, etc. This is the real-time examples of the class. Then based on this description, we build the house. The basically house is an the object. Then since how many houses can be made from the same description, we can create many objects from a class. A class in Java can be contain fields, methods, constructor, blocks, nested class, and interface. Then the class in Java. Also, a class have the variables, and there are three types of variables in the class: instance variable, static variable, and the local variable. Basically, the instance variable are the inside the class and outside the method, and the local variable are the variable that are the inside the class and also inside the methods that are the local variable in Java. Then the static variable. When we use the static variable, then we don't need to create an object, because the static keyword occupies already memory in the heap area, in the method area in the JVM. Then for example, syntax of the declare to a class, the class and class name, then open curly bracket and close curly bracket. In the open curly bracket and close curly bracket, there are the some fields, variables, and the methods. This is about the class and objects in Java. Thank you.